Welcome back to Bluely Creative. Thank you for watching this series on how to create a basic Shopify store. In this episode, we're just going to touch on how you customize your theme and design your website. So the first thing you need to do is go to Online Store and Themes. This is where you're going to manage everything with your design. So I've just got a basic debut theme. To go to design this, I would click on this customize button, but just to touch quickly on how to pick this theme or whatever theme you decide on. There's these buttons down here where you can explore free themes or the paid Shopify themes. We'll just click on the theme store just to show you what it looks like. So here's the Shopify themes website. I'll also make sure I link it. But these themes range from free to $180 which is sounds like it might be around 300 Australian dollars. I'm not too sure, don't quote me on that. So this might seem a little expensive, but it is worth getting a premium theme. It's only a one-off payment, so once you pay for it, you'll have it forever. And when you go, a free theme might work for you, but it also is pretty basic. It depends on your own personal preference. Just to give you a quick look through here, they have a lot of different themes to choose from, ranging from small e-commerce stores to huge ones. So once you've downloaded your theme, it'll pop up here. And for this video, as I said, I'm just going to use the free theme because I'm not at the point where I can afford to spend money on these videos yet. But we're going to go to customize. Oh, and just quickly, I'll mention, I highly recommend backing up your store. So just click duplicate, so you can have an original version of this theme saved. I think, did I already do that? Yeah, I did. So I'll just leave that for now. So here is your customization dashboard. All the sections, so the page that you're going to be mainly consumed with is building this home page, as the product page, the collection page, and the contact page are usually pretty straightforward and they're already kind of designed for you. So when you're in this dashboard, it'll pop up with all the different sections on your homepage. And honestly, I recommend deleting most of these because I feel like they just try to squeeze a lot in to show you what features the website has at first glance. But when you see this as a beginner, you can start to think that maybe you need to try fill all these sections out. But I would recommend to take a less is more approach and really make sure you get what's important, get the important messages across in your design and tell your story as best you can. So I'm just gonna turn my camera off for a bit. The SD card will explode if I do it while I'm designing. So I'm just gonna design this really quick and we'll get back in touch soon. Before we move on from this design aspect of building a Shopify store, just some quick tips. Make sure that you have consistent colors and fonts, and that your colors are contrasting and your fonts are easy to read. The second thing is just to make sure that your message is clear on your homepage. Make sure your audience knows exactly what your business is selling and why. And the third thing is just to make sure that your homepage tells a story. I think I mentioned this earlier, but don't worry about filling it out, putting your Instagram page and all that kind of fluff on there. Just make sure you get down to the brass tacks and really outline, this is what our business does, this is why you should buy it, this is who bought it and liked it, and then maybe have some featured products or products for sale at some point in that homepage as well. And just to highlight quickly as well, the theme settings down here will cover anything that you don't see in that kind of page section builder. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we're going to talk about getting ready for launch.